Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to send a pin to a group on Pinterest using your PC, especially with the new update that's made this process even smoother. If you've been wondering how to share your favorite pins with friends or collaborators in a group chat, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, open Pinterest in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your boards and messages. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, look to the left side menu. You'll see several options there, and one of them is Messages. Click on Messages to open your conversations. Now, you'll see a list of all your message threads, including any group chats you're part of. Find the group you want to send a pin to, and click on it to open the conversation window. This is where you can share ideas, pins, and inspiration with your group members. At the bottom of the chat window, you'll notice a plus icon. This is your gateway to sharing pins directly in the conversation. Click on the plus icon, and a menu will pop up with different options. Select the option to choose a pin. This will bring up your pins, boards, or even allow you to search for new pins to share. Once you've found the perfect pin you want to send, simply click on it. The pin will appear in the message box, ready to be sent. To complete the process, just hit the send button. And that's it. Your pin is now shared with everyone in the group, making collaboration and inspiration easier than ever. With this new update, Pinterest has made sharing pins in group messages straightforward and efficient. Whether you're planning a project, sharing ideas, or just having fun, sending pins to groups on your PC is now a breeze. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.